Cooking for Gamers with Chef Nathan, smile, and him being cool. What up, me guys and me gyal? It's Tai Chi back, bringing you another cooking video. Now, it's just something quick. Really just want to make something. So, let's go. So we're going to start with the onions. As per usual, I love my onions. Get this all cut up. And it is literally just some mini potatoes, steak, and onions. You'll see how I'm going to put it together this time, because it's absolutely going to be different this time. Felt like putting together something different, really. So we'll go through it. Let me go wash this off. But if you're new, you know what's up. Sub to the channel. Put a like down on the video. Got more cooking to be coming out later on. Some more gaming to cooking videos. And to whatever I feel that needs to go out. But yeah, it's fun stuff here. This is how I'm cutting them here. Different way as well. Long here. Just elongated. Hee hee. But yeah. Gonna get it all done and good and delicious. It's gonna look good, gonna be all done, but we gotta get the oven on. Because as you see, here is the little hash browns. Time to go in. I don't need to wait for anything to preheat, because you know, I put it on broil, so go done pretty quick, because this is going to be quite quick. Nothing too long, you know. But this is I'm cutting them because I felt like a different kind of set for today. So yeah, that's how we're doing it. Now for the delectable steak. Now, you see, here's a steak. You guys can just look at that for a minute. Because we gotta like turn on the stove. There's a difference to what we're doing today, because I'm not cutting up the steak. It's just going to be grilled, or yeah, on the griller. So transition. So we're going to get these onions in, and the light is pretty good. Yeah, all good. So we have the steak on. Looking nice, looking nice. It's just going, doing its thing. We're gonna have it grill, couple seconds on one side. Well, not seconds, but yeah. So you have that grilling up. Now we can flip it. See them? Nice grill marks. Nice grilled. Here is the onions there, you see, looking good. Let's turn that down. We just want to get it grilled, that's all. They want to look from the good looking grill to it. Add the sauce to the onion to give it some sweetness. And then we can add a little bit of sauce to the steak too. Give it something to just melt into it. And we're gonna flip it a couple seconds on the sauce side, put some sauce on the other side, and then flip that back, and then it'll be done. So that's how I usually do my steak. Let me take a look. That looks good enough. I like the way it looks. Still has the grill marks. Some sauce on this side. I'll grill a couple seconds on that side. 30 seconds or so. And then grill on this side a little bit. Just have the sauce go into it. Really quick. Quick thing to be making. Real easy. But here we have it. Steak being done. Onions. Hash browns in there. But I'll be back when it's all together. Woo! Okay, I'll be back. Welcome back. And we are finished. And here's the lovely product. Now, it is nice in there. You see the steak in there? It's nice. Like I said, just a couple minutes. Because they're thin. And they've been marinating for a bit. And then we have the onions in sauce. Because I love my sauce. And the mini hash browns. Looking pretty nice, you know? Looking pretty good. All grilled, all delicious. Something different instead of all cut up and whatnot. But yeah, good stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. I love my cooking. I love to eat. I'm fat boy, yeah. But, you know, sub, like the channel. You know it's good. Love y'all. Peace out. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm out.
We niggas don't. That's why you see us on the hustle with banana scopes. Leave the spokes. That's what a ratchet do. Now he choking on a barrel like his grandma's spoke. Like his grandma's spoke.